been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the Williams fam. Yes guys, so we are here. We are finally back at it again, starting to work on the house again. We did take a well needed break like I just said, and we are now working back on the house. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Yeah, the wall is finally the part that Mr. Williams have been avoiding so long. It's finally getting done. We did do some work, but I didn't record it. But look, as you can see, work has been getting done. So he's been working. Now he's gonna finish up it today. So finish it up and see, maybe we see if we can get it cast. So that is what we are doing today. So I just brought all those blocks because we were waiting on the materials too, and it seems like, what is it, even though materials are so expensive, it seems like materials can't catch. But we were able to get our blocks and stuff, so we can get back to doing some work. So that is what we are about to do. Oh Lord, I need to take a 5 because I'm going to help him. Yeah, I'm gonna go help him in a little bit. I'm not sure what else we are doing for today, but I know we are just working on the house. I gotta start bringing up the blocks to the second floor, so I'm going to end up doing that, see how much we can carry up there, because he's gonna start blocking up the top. And yeah, I guess in the next couple of days we'll see how far we get. I still gotta order some more materials, but we will see how far we get and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. And yeah, the beaches are finally open back, and the rivers, so that is good. We are planning to actually go, maybe do another beach outing or a river trip. We are planning to do something because we want to get out and do a little bit of, like, enjoy Jamaica, like how we usually used to come down and enjoy Jamaica before, you know, Miss Rona rear her ugly head and get things done. They say, since it's so crazy, you see, like overseas, when Corona hit overseas, I don't know, it didn't seem, the only thing it did was slow down overseas. That's what I find, because overseas is so fast paced. You're just on the go. People don't have time for their family. They missed out on so much years of their kids' life. They don't even know their kids. And like a lot of parents now are just even getting to know their kids. Thank God for that. I was able to balance the two, that I was able to grow with my kids, get to know my kids, what they like from what they don't like, their habits, their good from their bad habits. A lot of parents don't even know what their kids' favorite meal is, because their kids either lives at daycare or lives with a sitter, or basically have to fend for themselves. So, you know, and I think that's one of the good things that happened with COVID. Like I said, there's good and then there's bad that come with it. Like when it hit, some people realize that the life that they're living, they don't want to live that lifestyle anymore. They want to make a change. And others, they realize that, wow, you know, they've had it good and with what's going on, it doesn't affect them. The only thing is just they can't go out as much as they used to, or the ones that are like, wow, we never were able to go out and look at the simple things we take for granted, like just going out, walking to the park, going to go play with other kids, going to meet up at our families. So I think hopefully it humbled the world. But you know, it ain't gonna humble everybody, because you have those unfortunate ones that, you know, still did certain things and whatever the case may be. But I think it humbled a lot of people to sit down and realize like what is more important in life, and the things that we take for granted, and how quick like that we had to adjust to life, right? So but yeah, I am just grateful I was able to spend good quality time with my family. I've always said we should only work 4 days a week out of the week. Put my shoe down. Put. You really look at me and God with my shoe. Yes, I always say we should work 4 days out of the week, and then the other 3 you have like for leisure, for worship, time to rest, recuperate, and go back to work, you know, and build up yourself, spend the time with your family. Because if you're working Monday to Friday, those are good for people that work the Monday to Friday and have the weekends. You have 1 day for worship, and then you have your other day if you either do all your cleaning, your groceries and stuff. It's like you hardly have any time to rest or spend quality time with the family. So it's like one or the other have to give. But I will be back. All right, guys, so I just literally finished showering. Look at these tan lines, they are crazy. But yeah, I just finished showering because I was helping hubby. So I was just helping hubby to fill up the block holes and stuff. Guys, the wall is finally finished. Finally. Took long, but it's finally done. I'm going to show you guys when I am finished. Just let me get myself dressed. You did put on the rice? No. Can I just didn't call you to put it on. So yeah, let me get dressed. But look at these tan, guys. Like I literally burnt up. But let me go get some clothes on and I'll come back. So I am dressed. Let me go show you guys what he has done. Okay, so you just finished clean up. Yeah, it's been raining since what, 11. See, dog just walk in the thing. Oh Lord, hey, Lord have mercy. I mean, they watch. That's why I'm gonna do it. So guys, there is the wall. It's just the he's gonna have to box up there. So box up the column them now, and fill up the column and put on the other part up there, and then box that up. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So finally up. Right, Mr. Williams? It only took you forever. I said done before it's time. Forever. No, so it could have been done a long time ago, and I chose not to do it. Alright. What are you looking for? You go put back the zinc there, sir? You have to go nail a piece back there. The part where Joshua took down. Else you're gonna find him up there. And guys, so today Joshua and his brother was helping me. So and Memphis, they're helping carrying the blocks. So all the ones that you guys had seen carried in there, they were used, and then we'll bring some up, but we still have some out there that we gotta bring up. So Mr. William can start the top. So he's gonna start the top. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe in the next couple of days. We might take another little break. Yeah, so we might take another little break. So maybe within a few days he'll start. Oh, that look down. I didn't know say that they drop. I didn't know it fell. So, but we had a very productive day. Very productive, and we were able to get a lot of stuff done, which is good. So can't complain. Like I say, be grateful for, it's not necessarily the big things, but the small things. And I am certainly just grateful, and I have to just continuously thank God for, you know, boy, everything. I tell you, having faith goes a long way, goes a very long way. So, and he's been doing wonders for us since we've been here, you know, in every which way possible. He's been taking care of us, and that's why he always says, don't worry. When you stress, you put on almost a year onto your life each time you're stressing. I guess that's why so much of us walk around and look way older than what our age is supposed to be, right? Oh gosh, you can imagine like Abraham, Mary, and all them back in the days. They used to live till there were like what, 1,000, and nowadays you can't even live past 20. You're 20. Some people are 20 and they look like they're 40. So, and it's because of, I guess, the things that we eat and just the stress. So, and you always have to say, why stress about it when you can pray about it? But it is harder said than done. Some people is good at doing it. Other people, it's a lot harder for others. And sometimes they say the stress is just written all over you. You see the age and stuff like that. But I am just so grateful. Like, every day I wake up, I just have to be grateful for life in general. Just able to get up, to speak, to open my eyes, to be alive, and able to move all my limbs and be healthy, right? So that is the first and most things that I always have to be grateful for, and just grateful for the things that I have. Yes, I am not where I want to be in life. We're not where we want to be in life because our plans and our visions and our goals that we have for our family, it's not even halfway, but I am grateful. And even if a lot of the other stuff them don't come through, I am just grateful for where we are. That is enough. And I think that's something as humans, we don't really sit down and think and just look where you are, or look within the last 3 months, 6 months, or a year, where you were and where you coming from. And I can testify to that. Within the last few months, just where I am coming from to where I'm about to go, trust me, I am grateful for every little bit that we have, what we have come across, the good, the bad, and the ugly, because it opens up your eyes and it teaches you a lot. So you have to be grateful. But I am just waiting. Food is cooking because I had to put on dinner, so we just made some curry chicken and rice because that's what I felt like. So I did that. Faith put on the rice, of course. So I'm just waiting, and then we're about to go eat. Enough talking. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. And on a positive note, guys, I know sometimes we are all going through some stress. We are all going through something. No matter how much you see people on social media and their life look happy, listen, sometimes certain people have to perk up themselves to get on the camera. Yeah. Let me just address that. For me, you always gonna get 100%. Maybe if I don't even fully come out and tell you guys like the whole spill of details what's going on in my life, but what you see is what you get, and I've always been 100%. And for the genuine people that watch us and continually share our videos, tell their family, their friends about us, we really appreciate it, right? And I will always keep it 100. But sometimes it is hard, as they call it, an influencer, a YouTuber, when it comes to certain things, and trusting people when it comes to certain things, because there's a lot of things that I would like to share with you guys the ups, the downs, which we do share the ups and the downs, and sometimes we have some downs. Everybody go through some downs, but they always say, what is it, 7 times fall, 7 times rise, right? Our 7 brothers, 7 siblings, 7 different minds. Yeah, we have been through some stuff, and you know, certain things in life just really open up your eyes around about your surroundings and just things. And you know, sometimes you're, as a person, you will let those things get to you, but don't let them get to you. I always say pray about it and just continue to wish and hope for the best, and you know, just continue to be humble and try your best to do what you can. And just know that every time you fall, you will continue to rise. And sometimes we have to fall in order to rise and be better and more than where we were. So sometimes you have to fail in order for you to be better. So I just wanted to come by and say that. But enough talking, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you already know the saying, don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibe over here. Yes. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.